Thikũ 57 mbere ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana, Athikabu a kanitha wa Gatoreki bũrũri-inĩ nimoritie kamitii ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC gwikirira wigirĩrĩki wayo o ta ũrĩa kwahoteka nĩguo gukinyaniria githurano kiri na waragania.
Their responsibility is to ensure the election outcome is free, fair and credible, securing the leadership of the voters' preference.
Omwe wa maundu maria magwetetwo ni ngwataniro ino ni register ya aikia a kura, makienda kamitii ino gutheria namba ya aikia a kura na kweheria maritwa ma andu aria matari itari-ini ria aikia a kura ni undu wa itumi itiganite.
It is critically important that only legitimate voters turn up to vote. 2. IEBC should make greater effort to assure voters with greater transparency arrangements regarding the voting process.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Githumo, Muthikabu Morris Muhatia oho ni oritie atongoria a kiuteti gucunga mĩario yao iria ingitumura ngahiha na guthararia thayo bũrũri-ini mbere hindi ona thutha wa githurano.
Peddling lies, unnecessary personality attacks, inciting voters against opponents, and sheer demeaning attitudes towards voters because they are poor and lowly is going against the spirit of responsible leadership.
Athikabu aya oho ni morotete maafitha thirikari-ini aria marekuruhania na ciama rundumwe na miahu ngũrani ya kiuteti.
Those people who are having state jobs and are agents of the state, who are employees of the voter, must serve all the voters equally without appearing to lean on one side of any of the presidential candidates.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.